is on the way. We have Mr. Hit. Draws for your lead, running by the rail pass forward. Honor Class running on the outside is Volvo Quest as they race towards the half moto. Now they are all up to Volvo Quest from the outside. Mr. Hit running in between runners, then by the rail pass forward. Honor Class running on the outside. Swing Boat comes next, then followed by runner number 5, and that's Poker Chip as they race towards the 450. Volvo Quest leading the field. Pass forward down on the inside. Honor Class is on the outside, then followed by Swing Boat. Mr. Hit. And out the stretch they come. We have 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Pass forward leading the field. Volvo Quest is by the rail. Pass forward, Volvo Quest down on the inside, then followed by Honor Class. Now with a couple runners in a 1-2 position, and finally pass forward, second, 1A Honor Class, then comes Silver Ridge close between Swing Boat and number 8, Volvo Quest.
Walang kawala, ayaw pa sila.